Hey guys, it's me again, Vanita, and with today's video, we're going to start a new series about products that are currently trending and will definitely sell on Etsy or other platforms using Forever Transfer Media. I made sure that we use a simple product idea with a low startup cost and quick and easy to learn. Customized candles using Forever Waterslide. Waterslide is an easy solution to create custom candles for any occasion you can think of. Because we have two options to use this product, we're going to start with the most affordable and easiest one. All you need besides our Waterslide is a bowl of water, a CMYK laser printer, and some candles. Waterslide is available in DIN A4 and DIN A3. It has a matte and a glossy side. First, you're punching your design on the glossy side of the paper and make sure it's not mirrored. I like to use unique terms, either job or family related. Make sure you measure the candle and match the size of the design. Waterslide can be printed beforehand and stored so you could print a few popular terms and use another sheet that you will be printing on demand for personalization such as names and dates. Then you cut the design into size and put the pieces in the water bowl. Leave it for a couple of seconds so it soaks up with water and is easier to peel off. Then you take the foil out of the water and place it on the candle. Slide it off and make sure there are no wrinkles. You can still make adjustments while it's wet. Finally, pat everything dry and wait for 3 hours before you pack it for shipment. Let's look at the pricing and what you can charge for a candle. Here's just an overview on what we paid to create these smaller white candles. We bought a box of candles of 30 and one was 90 cents. A candle design using a DIN A3 sheet, 16 cents. So total was $1.06 per candle. Sale price start at $5, so the profit would be $4. Now that was the easy process of using Forever Waterslide. If you also want to transfer white and you have a white toner laser printer, you need to use the Forever Laser Dark No Cut A paper in addition. You first print the mirrored design on the Laser Dark No Cut A paper with your white toner laser printer. Then you need to press it with the actual Waterslide using 180 degrees Celsius. First, you put the Waterslide on the heat plate with the glossy side up and then cover it with the printed side of the A paper. Use matte finish economy for protection and press for 15 to 20 seconds, medium pressure. Take the paper carefully from the heat press and let them cool down completely. Separate the papers from each other when they are absolutely cold. Cut around the transfer as exactly as possible. Put the transfer in water for 30 seconds. The paper will roll up and you'll be able to position it onto your candle. Slowly slide it off, making sure there are no more wrinkles. Finally, pat everything dry and wait for 3 hours before you pack it for shipment. Some examples for candle topics are birthdays, giving thanks, menus, love, and christening. In general, you have less competition if you also offer different colored candles with a white print on it. Either way, this is the perfect product to start your Etsy shop. If you like this video and if you don't want to miss another video of this series, please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!